Let's go! Today guys, I am going to reveal where I am going to start to buy Bitcoin for my next never going to be closed at a loss trade. As you know, I closed my trade yesterday on Femex because a lot of people wanted me to start over and show exactly how I make these trades which are never going to be closed at a loss. So I am going to start buying Bitcoin here soon, and I'm going to show you the first level in which I am going to buy it at. We're also talking about Ethereum. We are currently breaking out of this channel. What does that mean for Bitcoin? What does that mean for Ethereum? We're talking about Chainlink. We're talking about Cardano. I have something very interesting on Cardano for you guys. And then we're gonna round it up with some news. Alright guys, welcome back everybody to Satoshi Stacker. My name is Cristiano and I bring you cryptocurrency trading videos every day. And thank you so much for the support on this video yesterday. A lot of people are hyped regarding my next setup for how to build a position in Bitcoin that is not going to be closed at a loss. So we are going to get right into it right now. So, you know that the funding was a big concern for me. That was one of the biggest factors for me to take profit at my trade here. And that together with the Fibonacci's lining up right here, this was always going to be a point of interest and a point in which Bitcoin is probably going to have trouble breaking through. Okay, so profit was taken, and right now if we check the fundings, you can see that they are already coming down. They were at like 25-30%. Of course, I mean 0.25, 0.30%. But now they are getting lower, and this is absolutely what I'd like to see. So what I want to see now is I want us to consolidate here, the funding to reset completely. And so I will start to make up these levels in which I am going to be buying Bitcoin at. But what I can already reveal right now is that if we get down to these levels, I am going to put in a bid here because I think that this is going to be strong support. And if I can catch a wick down here before it's bouncing up, that's ideal. But also I am putting a buy order here at $38,000. I'm not saying that we are going to get there. I'm just putting them there because, you know, in case we do, that I know is going to be a very good short-term buying opportunity. And by the way, guys, which exchange am I going to use? I think like this. I am going to use Bybit for my Bitcoin trade, but also, and I can reveal this, I am going to start trading altcoins again here on Femex. You know that we did have massive success doing that a couple of months ago on Femex before we had that, you know, Christmas XRP disaster. But anyway, if you want to follow me along and you like trading altcoins, make sure to sign up for Femex and use this link right here. You are going to get a nice bonus. If you want to see my Bitcoin trade and follow me on the Bitcoin trade, you can also get $200 on Bybit. So make sure to sign up for both of these exchanges if you want to take advantage of the most amount of bonus. As you know, I am going to show you my exact moves in my videos on Twitter. You are going to be able to follow everything. So Bitcoin is right now actually making a little run here, which is very nice to see. Next level of resistance, 48,200-ish. So pay attention to this level. If we start to go up, also pay attention actually to these levels right here. This is going to be, I mean, the previous support here, you had some sideways action, and then also up here. So this vicinity basically is what we will have to clear, and then a big pop towards 48,000, and then we will see if we will be able to break this level, which is also the Fibonacci level. So let's move on to Ethereum. We are inside of this channel. Seems like we are breaking out as well. Previous all-time high at 1,800. I am still expecting at $2,000, the big psychological round number. You're going to see some resistance on Ethereum, but after that you got the big one, which is this next Fibonacci level at 2,250. So pay attention to this. You know that we've been talking about this for so long. When we compare these fractals to the fractals of Bitcoin, they looked pretty much identical. So make sure to watch this. I am going to keep you updated on Twitter. Now, here's the thing. I am also going to talk about Chainlink. Why am I going to talk about Chainlink? Well, you know, a couple of months ago, I revealed that this big channel, and I said, and I was also acting on it, you know, on my Chainlink trade here on Femex, I was acting on this very tip, and that was to buy at the bottom of this channel and sell at the top here. Now, I'm not saying that you should do it with your hard position. This is just with your trade. Trades, guys, trades are just bonus money to me. I mean, you can make a long-term trade, that's one thing, but when you make these smaller trades, and even this trade, which I had opened here, closed yesterday at $16,000 in profit, that to me was still considered a short-term trade, because remember how we built it? We built that trade during the last couple of weeks only, buying between these levels right here, identifying where the strong support is and when not to buy. So you can do the same thing with Chainlink. It's just bonus money. And what I told you a couple of months ago is buy down here, sell up here. Super simple. And why? Because if you see how much money you're making doing that, I mean, it's easy 46% here. Buy at the low here, sell at the top. Easy 45%. Now this didn't hit here, but let's say you scale in. So let's say you have an average price right here, 26%. Let's say you have an average price right here. Notice this is not even the very bottom. Sell 53%. And then I revealed this channel as well as we were breaking down and going down. Easy 20%, easy 16%. And then again, look at this, up 40%, up 43%. And even if you want to be very risky, you could even short up here. So you buy down here, easy 50%, you short down here, easy 50% on the way down. So you understand how much money you're able to make by trading these patterns. And I'm going to show you that as well. I'm going to do some trades on Chainlink. I'm going to do some trades on Cardano and all of my other coins as well. I'm not going to force anything. I'm going to wait for a no slam dunk, no-brainer setup, pretty much like this one right here. And to sign up for Femex, you just use this link right here. Again, you are able to get bonus. Although, yeah, this bonus is if you deposit Bitcoin. Make sure to read all of the requirements once you've signed up. So what now? Is Chainlink going to break through it? Well, history tells us that probably not, but let's see. But I did give you the heads up yesterday as we were approaching here, and then you had a dip worth of 14% almost here. So even this trade I gave you yesterday would have made you a lot of money if you shorted up here, or if you were already in Chainlink taking profit here and buying at the bottom, scaling in pretty much as we are going down. But you also understand that we have this thing going on right now. So this is coiling up towards a move to the upside, to be honest. Cardano, now this is interesting. So check this out. We have this small little triangle right here, and it seems like we had a little fake out when I recorded the previous parts of this video, and we had a fake out, but we are back into the triangle right now, and you can see that we have a lot of touching points up here. We have a lot of touching points down here. So if we break out from this pattern right here, I am expecting a move upwards. Well, $1 is going to be a big psychological level for Cardano. But guys, this is telling us that it's actually likely for Cardano to reach $1 pretty soon here. So if things continues like they are and Bitcoin doesn't, completely get wrecked, and it can give some breathing room for the altcoins, this is going, I'm going to call it, this is going to reach $1 sooner rather than later. So that's Cardano for you guys. Other than that, I want to talk a bit about Elon Musk, because what you see now, I mean, he had Bitcoin in his bio. Tesla has been buying Bitcoin. Now he's actually becoming one of the ambassadors for Bitcoin. You got Michael Saylor, you got a bunch of other people as well. But for Elon Musk to go out and regularly talk about Bitcoin, talk about cryptocurrency, this is very bullish. Guys, you are early, the herd is coming. And speaking of that, I mean, you have MasterCard. They will let merchants accept payments in crypto this year. Now, previously, there was some merchants who were able to accept crypto, but then MasterCard, through their partners, would convert it to fiat, and the merchants would never see crypto. But right now, you are probably in the near future going to be able to pay with crypto. The merchants, they are going to receive crypto. This is a huge step in adoption, guys. So I'm very excited for the future. We are early. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Watch the trading tutorial popping up in the middle of this video right now, and I will see you right there.